In diagnostic imaging, precision is everything. Even the slightest movement can compromise an X-ray, leading to retakes and lost time. And that's why many technologists rely on the Phillips Safety Cervical Patient Positioning Sandbags. Crafted from premium heavy-duty medical-grade vinyl, these 5, 7, and 10-pound bags are built for dependable weighted immobilization. Each unit features a heat-sealed inner sleeve to prevent leakage and a reinforced outer cover engineered for long-lasting durability in high-traffic environments. Positioning is effortless. The sturdy webbing on the handles provides easy positioning and transport, allowing you to secure your patient with accuracy and ease. And because medical environments demand the highest standards of hygiene, the smooth vinyl surface cleans instantly with any medical-grade disinfectant. It comes in 3 different sizes and is a versatile solution that extends even beyond the imaging suite, trusted in uses like therapeutic rehabilitation, interventional procedures, and even some veterinary applications. When you choose Phillips Safety, you're not just buying equipment, you're choosing clinical reliability. Premium materials, superior construction, quality you can trust. Phillips Safety, reliable clinical solutions for every department.